Welcome to Quiz Channel! Round number 1. Name a country that starts with S. Spain, Sweden, Switzerland. Round number 2. Name a fruit that starts with A. Apple, apricot, avocado. Round number 3. Name an animal that starts with B. Bear, buffalo, bat. Round number 4. Name a city that starts with D. Dubai, Delhi, Dhaka. Round number 5. Name a vegetable that starts with C. Carrot, cabbage, cauliflower. Round number 6. Name a car brand that starts with T. Toyota, Tesla, Tata. Round number 7. Name a bird that starts with P. Parrot, peacock, pigeon. Round number 8. Name a color that starts with G. Green, gold, gray. Round number 9. Name a sport that starts with B. Badminton, basketball, baseball. Round number 10. Name a job that starts with E. Engineer, electrician, editor. Round number 11. Name a country that starts with M. Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco. Round number 12. Name a fruit that starts with P. Pineapple, papaya, peach. Round number 13. Name an animal that starts with L. Lion, leopard, llama. Round number 14. Name a city that starts with K. Karachi, Kuala Lumpur, Kabul. Round number 15. Name a vegetable that starts with B. Broccoli, beetroot, brinjal. Round number 16. Name a musical instrument that starts with D. Drum, dole, double bass. Round number 17. Name a language that starts with S. Spanish, Sindhi, Swahili. Round number 18. Name a flower that starts with R. Rose, Rajnigandha, ranunculus. Round number 19. Name a drink that starts with J. Juice, Jaljeera, jasmine tea. Round number 20. Name a body part that starts with H. Hand, head, heart. Round number 21. Name a country that starts with C. Canada, China, Chile. Round number 22. Name a fruit that starts with M. Mango, melon, mulberry. Round number 23. Name an animal that starts with T. Tiger, tortoise, turkey. Round number 24. Name a city that starts with L. London, Lahore, Lisbon. Round number 25. Name a vegetable that starts with P. Potato, peas, pumpkin. Round number 26. Name a vehicle that starts with B. Bus, bicycle, boat. Round number 27. Name a bird that starts with S. Sparrow, swan, seagull. Round number 28. Name a color that starts with B. Blue, black, brown. Round number 29. Name a sport that starts with T. Tennis, table tennis, taekwondo. Round number 30. Name a job that starts with D. Doctor, driver, designer. Round number 31. Name a country that starts with N. Norway, Nepal, Nigeria. Round number 32. Name a fruit that starts with G. Grapes, guava, grapefruit. Round number 33. Name an animal that starts with E. Elephant, eagle, elk. Round number 34. Name a city that starts with A. Amsterdam, Ankara, Athens. Round number 35. Name a vegetable that starts with T. Tomato, turnip, taro. Round number 36. Name a musical instrument that starts with P. Piano, pipa, pan flute. Round number 37. Name a language that starts with F. French, Farsi, Finnish. Round number 38. Name a flower that starts with L. Lily, lotus, lavender. Round number 39. Name a drink that starts with C. Coffee, cola, coconut water. Round number 40. Name a body part that starts with N. Nose, neck, nails. Round number 41. Name a country that starts with B. Brazil, Belgium, Bangladesh. Round number 42. Name a fruit that starts with O. Orange, olive, orange melon. Round number 43. Name an animal that starts with C. Cat, camel, cheetah. Round number 44. Name a city that starts with S. Sydney, Seoul, Singapore. Round number 45. Name a vegetable that starts with R. Radish, red cabbage, ridge gourd. Round number 46. Name a vehicle that starts with T. Train, truck, tractor. Round number 47. Name a bird that starts with E. Eagle, egret, emu. Round number 48. Name a color that starts with Y. Yellow, yam, yolk. Round number 49. Name a sport that starts with C. Cricket, cycling, chess. Round number 50. Name a job that starts with T. Teacher, tailor, technician.